Alright guys, here it says that it says customers arrive at a travel agency at a mean rate of 11 per hour. Assuming that the number of arrivals per hour has a Poisson distribution, give the probability that more than 10 customers arrive in a given hour. First thing we know, lambda equals to 11. First thing we know. The second thing we know is that the formula for a Poisson distribution is e to the negative lambda times lambda to the power of x over x factorial. Let me make this x a little smaller. Okay. So now we need to find the probability that more than 10 customers arrive. So the probability that x is greater than 10. Well, let's say that about 100 of them comes. 100 of them come. Now, you are going to have a lot of time to do 11 plus 12 plus 13 plus 14 plus 15 all the way to 100. Instead, we could find that, hey, the probability of everything equals to 1. So if we just look at the probability that about less than 10 or 10 comes, that'll be a lot easier. Because remember, the probability that x is bigger than 10 is, it might go to more than 50, more than 45, more than 70, you never know. So we know that we cannot have negative customers arriving at an agency. It either is 0 or from 0 up. It has to be positive. So instead of doing all this addition, then we can just find out the probability that exactly about 10 of them come. So the probability that x is less than or equal to 10 is better to find instead of finding the is bigger than 10. So based on that, if you have a TI-89 titanium or 89, you would have to write 1 minus the summation that e to the power of negative 11, because that's the rate, 11 per hour, times 11 to the power of x over x factorial, comma, x is from 0 to 10. Now, let's use that TI-89 that we have. So, first thing you have to do is you go to F3, number 4, then you type E, green button, E, to the power negative 11, close parentheses, times 11 to the power of x divided by x. Second button, click number 5, click number 7, and click number 1, then comma x, comma 0, comma 10. Now, I'm not going to forget to put that 1 in front, so let me just put this 1 here. So we got 1 minus all that. If I click enter, then you get that 0.54011. That will be equal to 0.54011. This is the probability that more than 10 people or customers arrive in a given hour. Then this is actually what it was asking about. So I hope you guys understood and enjoyed it. And I hope you guys have a good day. And thank you for watching the video.